Qualitative research versus quantitative research.
Hi Emily.
Hello Jack, how can I help you?
Can you explain me different types of research methodology?
Yeah, sure. Mainly there are 3 research methodologies used. That is, qualitative research. Qualitative research utilizes data that cannot be quantified numerically. In other words, qualitative research focuses on words, descriptions, concepts, beliefs, ideas, and other such intangibles. Quantitative research utilizes numeric and statistical data. It measures variables and verifies existing theories or hypotheses. Mixed methods-based research attempts to bring both qualitative and quantitative research. It uses qualitative research to explore a situation and develop a potential model of understanding, which is also called a conceptual framework, and then uses quantitative methods to test that model empirically.
How is qualitative research different from quantitative research?
Qualitative research and quantitative research differs in every stage of research process. Let me explain you in step by step. Step 1 in research process. Identifying a research problem. Under quantitative, the research problem calls for an explanation and measuring trends. Under qualitative, the research problem calls for an exploration and developing description and understanding. Step 2 in research process. Literature review. Under quantitative, the literature plays mostly a static and perspective role in the study. Under qualitative, the literature plays mostly a dynamic and informative role in the study. Step 3 in research process. Specifying a purpose. Under quantitative, the purpose is specific and narrow. The researcher asks research questions and states hypotheses about variables. Under qualitative, the purpose is general and broad. The researcher asks open-ended research questions about a phenomenon. Step 4 in research process. Choosing a research design. Under quantitative, a quantitative approach is selected, and a quantitative experimental or non-experimental research design is planned. Under qualitative, a qualitative approach is selected, and a general qualitative approach or former qualitative research design is planned. Step 5 in research process. Selecting participants and collecting data. Under quantitative, the data include numeric scores for variable gathered from a large number of individuals, sites, or time points. Under qualitative, the data include text and image gathered from a small number of individuals or sites. Step 6 in research process. Analyzing data and reporting results. Under quantitative, statistical and graphical analysis of the data is used to compare groups, relate variables, and describe trends. Under qualitative, text and image analysis of the data is used to develop and report description and themes. Step 7 in research process. Drawing conclusions. Under quantitative, the results are compared with predictions and past studies. Under qualitative, the results are interpreted in terms of their overall meaning. Step 8 in research process. Disseminating and evaluating the research. Under quantitative, the report and evaluation uses a standard and fixed format. The researcher is objective and impersonal. Under qualitative, the report uses a flexible and emerging format. The researcher is subjective and reflexive. For more information on scholarships, internship, universities and research, please like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel, and kindly follow the links given in below description. Created by Zillion Insight.